Let's roll. Yeah. This is a hug. Yeah.
Feeling the way the bold is, but there's no way to hold this. The struggle is over. My dream is getting closer. Closer to my the rapper like sing higher, feeling my sleep. Sometimes it feels like I'm
Welcome to the grown folks edition of this party session, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, we grown century here tonight. Yes, we are. What they say? Closer to my dream. Sing it, ladies. It's okay. Hey. One day we're gonna make it to the main stage. One day. We started in the back, we're in the middle. We're gonna make it to the main stage. Make sure next to y'all have a mojo to the main stage. We're gonna have a party up there. Everybody in front, the party's in the middle. The party's by H&H Barbecue right now. And Jamaican cuisine. This is where the party at.